Welcome to coinSense. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and shall not be construed as financial, investment, legal, or tax advice. The sender holds positions in the digital assets mentioned, and shall not be held liable for any errors, omissions, or actions taken based on the information provided herein. Do your own research. An investor's perspective on the most valuable use case of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency currently has hundreds of use cases, with parabolic growth projecting into the thousands over the coming years. Pandora's box has been opened, and the expansion of use case creativity will follow a similar path to that of the internet. Consider the speed in which creative minds can build. 2008, a thesis for a system capable of transacting one currency in a trustless manner. 2015, a system capable of programmable transactions, and hosting multiple currencies and self-executing applications. Common examples of use cases include payments, governance, gaming, borrowing, lending, art, memberships, social media, digital representation, identity, logistics, data storage, and authentication. A viral application showcasing any use case of cryptocurrency will expedite mainstream adoption. The next generation of users will not be required to understand the underlying technology of blockchain, as the user interface is rapidly integrating with society's needs. There is a use case intentionally not mentioned, as it will not be prized with the feat of bringing adoption to the masses, however it will thrive and absorb the value of such. There will be many exciting, viral, and paramount use cases in cryptocurrency, but from an investor's perspective, the foundational layer will take the lion's share of value. Let's elaborate on its capabilities: a blockchain or distributed database that provides the consensus mechanism to process, validate, and record transactions into its immutable ledger. The source of truth for all accounting of transactions and balances in a user's account/wallet, and the creator of new wallets. Responsible for network security, and the definer of rules in the ecosystem, uses a native coin to pay transaction fees and reward those securing the network. Layer 1, the underlying platform for which all tokens, decentralized applications, and smart contracts are built on top of, and Layer 0, responsible for network security of the hub of blockchains, and provides the underlying architecture for application-specific blockchains to interact with each other. The dominant foundational layer will obtain its value from the following: will become the most secured database in existence, because its security grows with adoption. Provides the platform for all other use cases to exist, think, mobile app store, and therefore will become the most important database, provides the hub for all other use cases to interact. Utility and scarcity that are specific to the design of the cryptocurrency, and traits and speculation that are general to the cryptocurrency asset class. These facts create a strong case that the dominant foundational layer cryptocurrency will become the most valuable asset of all time. A digital age is upon us, and with it comes a new asset class with utility and traits never seen before. Cryptocurrency's value will rise, as it continues to be understood. The arms race to secure data and dethrone gold has only just begun. From an investor's perspective, when the dominant foundational layer becomes the most valuable asset in the world, the next logical milestone is reserve currency status. Please subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for your time.